All right, guys, we are here with the one, the only Hotel Pan. We have no idea what's in here. Could be anything. Really duct taped on the top of this.
All right, I've had my coffee. I'm ready to go.
What? What is this?
This is a knife. Is there a note? Oh yeah, here you go.
Wow.
Oh, I ripped the note.
This looks like a little bit of a scary note. Dear Aaron, we have kidnapped Gabe, and we will.
What is this?
Hey, Aaron and the rest of the Braille. My name is Jay, and I'm a cook for a living.
Whoa!
I don't know what he's doing. I've watched all your You Make It, We Skate It videos. I thought this hotel restaurant serving pan would make a great video. This pan had served a lot of salmon, mostly. Do you like salmon?
I am not a big seafood fan.
Mostly, and now it's time to retire it because of small rips in the corners. Noted.
Dude, it's like a...
I've included a prize to the first person to kickflip it. First try?
It's like a little bird feeder.
Wow, that's sick. I'm taking this home. I've also included an extra set of riser pads in case you want to flip the trucks around. It's a lot harder to skate though. Haha, good luck. Flip the trucks around? Oh, like on the other side. Oh, mini logo. These are giant riser pads. Well, I guess we just do this. First person to kickflip it gets this. Do you think anyone can kickflip this?
Not me.
That was the single scariest moment of my life. I feel like we have to break the sides to kickflip it.
Allow me.
Monster flip? Seriously though, on the kickflip, I don't know how he expected us to kickflip this. For some reason, I feel like I'm going to land right here, like that.
That thing, it could be the smallest board that big, and he's like, nope, credit carding every time. How did you do that? This is terrifying.
I feel like we just go right into a game of skate.
Oh no.
So we never play a game of skate.
Full park?
Why am I so bad at this lately? I'm not gonna lie, I'm exceptionally scared to do that. Well, they're skating a Hotel Pan. They've truly run out of ideas. Comment number 3,845. You are correct. Thank you, John Webster. How did he like pop out of that and then roll away like... Wow. My life flashed before my eyes. It was like you were born, you almost died, and then you went through your whole life and now you're here.
Oh my goodness. Hey!
Gabe, you know, full send.
We already know.
Right there, you'll die. You'll die. Remember that video, Aaron's Hardest Slam? That's you right now.
God. Oh, full send it!
That was his try. How was that not his try?
That means you get like 30 roll-ups.
Oh, full send it!
You don't gotta be a jerk, man.
Oh! You're gonna literally land every trick first try. Oh no, I'm scared to see what he's gonna do. I already tried this and I jumped and my leg just went and the pan went. He's been practicing every day on this.
No, I'm really out of tricks.
I was like, God dang, his hair looks nice.
Oh. See, I'm gonna have to take it to the next level to beat Aaron in this game, and I don't have a next level.
This is gonna be a good shot. Oh, over. Part of me wants to steal his trick. Well, that's a lot gnarlier than you think. I gotta do some flat ground tricks to get my confidence back up, because right now I'm losing S to nothing. I would have toe dragged, but the side of the pan caught my toe. Maybe we're onto a new thing, pan skateboards. Ow!
I got a text right when I sent it.
His left toe was right here and smashed. Hey Nigel, do you like salmon?
I love salmon.
All right.
I can see that.
First try.
Hotel grab.
Pan grab. Hi guys.
I'm dead. Yeah, how'd you do that? That's hella scary.
Yeah.
I don't even know how to commit to this.
Ain't no thing. Chicken wing. Oh no.
Nope, changing my trick.
I don't know if I should kickflip again or go to the mini ramp. If I landed that bad again, he'll just down thumb me, but the first go, he gives me a rebate. I don't know if it's possible to land in there. Wait, anything's possible. You can achieve your dreams, kids! This is for the kids who have dreams.
Holy crap.
He almost got credit carded right there. See?
He was like, that would never happen. I saw my future children flash before my eyes. I'm sorry.
Oh, there's a mini ramp. Thanks. As I was riding up, I just thought about all of the bad things.
Oh man. Playing Aaron in games of skate is weird because any trick I could do first try, he could do in like 0 tries.
Anything I can do, he can do better. Anything he can do better than me. Oh my God! It's been years and years of psychologically getting into his mind.
Dude, seriously. Uncut grip tape on his own skateboard is the only time I've ever beat him. Get out of here! It was a sign that I have to do a full cab and not a half cab. I got a full send. All I heard was Nigel say something and then Aaron said, oh no, and then I started to worry.
There's no toilet paper. It's gonna be the worst thing in the Braille house ever. I don't know what to do. It's like you try it once and you fail, then how do you get back up again? You can achieve your goals, kids! Never give up! The one time he tries to pop is when he's on a pan. Regular skateboard, he would never pop.
I don't know how you
in a pan,
didn't pop
he tries
that.
to pop. There's some things that are just not possible in the world. This is one of them. I looked up at Troy's face. That could happen.
That totally can happen. It's gonna happen.
Sometimes you just gotta take it down to the basics. That was literally the best trick I've done on anything.
Ever.
Ever.
Dang, his hair is nice. Think about the kids. Why can he do these and I can't do? I didn't even get the first one.
Scariest thing I've ever done.
That could seriously slice you. How does he ollie? I couldn't ollie up like that.
He's discovered my secret.
You gotta really pinch your toes in there and kind of hold them out. Ender, right here.
Like a 720 double flip.
It's your turn. I will land
Back
it.
to the box. Nigel, it's for you.
I feel like I gotta just do a rock and roll on the mini ramp to get him out, and then try the 3 flip because this trick is putting my life at grave danger. I feel like I need to like conjure up a spell or something, like Magic the Gathering. I've never seen such dedication in the face of a man. No, no way. There's no way.
Stop practicing! That was the sickest thing I've ever done.
I couldn't get over how he bunny hopped in and then his balance was absolutely perfect.
Did you see me? I found the spot and I just went, and just froze, and I don't know how I did that.
Like a majestic elk on the top of Mount Rainier.
I couldn't have said it any better. I'm gonna manual the long box.
No!
I'm dead. Hi. That sucked. I need to go like 3 times faster. I'm gonna lay here for a little while.
Last try. We'll never try this again.
Okay, I have an idea. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try.
I'm actually worried for his safety at this point. It's not even me anymore. No, don't even try that. How? How? How did I not land that?
God dang it, dude. I hate falling.
I actually think that through, like, not my spine, but like a muscle 3 inches left of my spine went, what are you doing? Drops are too easy on this at this point. You gotta go tech. Go ahead, Gabe.
I have an ender. I just need to get you to T first.
All right, that's it. I'm ending. Two tries. Mother Mary Joseph. Full send!
Actually, like the hardest trick that we've done all day.
Epically terrifying is what it is. Roll down that switch, no big deal, Gabe. You got this. 2 tries.
I literally don't even want to try. I think I literally want to do a blunt to fakie on this before I do that. Oh, no. Dude, I can't do that.
He can do it.
I mean, that wasn't even try because he didn't pop, so it's try 0.
That's game.
You gotta go real fast.
I've fallen too many times on frontside 180s.
That's true.
I'm afraid of that trick. It's the one trick on that I'm not down to do.
3 more tries, tray flip, and that's it.
You gotta land it for the
3
video
more
though.
tries. Oh, wow. Stunt double.
I don't even know how to begin with that. It's crazy.
It's so scary. For some reason, all I think about is cuts everywhere. Last try, right here, first try. I fully committed on that. That was full send. Oh! I think we count that. Just cut it. I feel like I should just tray revert. Like that would be easier at this point. Right here, full send, last try, jump juice. Harness the power of Fetty. Can't be done. It's impossible. Nothing's impossible. You can do it. It's like, how do you adjust your foot in a pan to make it flip more, scoop less? Skateboarding Made Simple Pan Edition? I need like some sort of inspiration.
Fetty try flipped a spoon.
Thank you. Shut up, that counted. Like butter, because it's a pan. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. We really hope you enjoyed that video, and thank you for sending us this incredible pan. How is it still holding up? We don't even know. If you got something cool to send us an email about it at skate@brailleskateboarding.com. Otherwise, go to this playlist right here and check out all the other rad videos that we made similar to this one, and go right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com, your resource to learn how to skateboard, get your skateboards and everything there, brailleskateboarding.com. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Subscribe, like, leave that comment below.